In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can DM on Instagram in 2020. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Instagram profile and then you'll be on your home page. Next, you want to tap on that little magnifying glass icon next to the homepage button. That's going to enable you to search. So you can search for a profile you want to message. So I'm just going to search for any old profile. So I've selected a profile. So once you're on the profile you want to message, you can see a little message button next to the follow button. If I tap on message, you have the opportunity to send a message. So I'm just going to say hey and click send. And then you have some other options. You can send a voice note, which I'm not going to do because I'm recording my screen. And then with this you can send pictures, and with the little plus icon you can send gifs and so on and so forth. So that is how you send a DM on Instagram. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.